Okay, we go on to the comparison operators. We studied the arithmetic operators up till now. So I'm just going to define for you comparison operators. Let's say, what are the comparison operators that we are going to study? Okay, where we are going to compare two values. Okay, so you're going to have either, if you're going to compare whether both the values are going to be equal to each other, so with an equal to, or we can have something like, you want to compare whether they are not equal to, or you want to compare whether, whether they are greater than, or whether it is less than, or whether it is greater than or equal to, or if it is less than or equal to. Okay, so there are different values that you can always understand with a comparison operator, or you can also have so we have gone through a lot of these. We can just go through a lot of these operators out here. Okay, what are we going to do with these operators? Let's understand them a little more in detail with the operators. Okay, so if I want to compare, so let's say I'm saying a is equal to 10 and a is equal to 10, sorry, equal to, and b is equal to 20. And if I say print, and I'm just going to print saying that a equal to b, okay, is this right or wrong? I need to print it out. A equal to b. Okay, so it's like I'm just saying whether it's going to be true or false. So let's say I just run this out. So if I say, okay, it's telling me to save it out, so I say comparison operators, save it out, and it says a equal to b, so you say false. Okay, a equal to b is false because a is not equal to b. But if I print, okay, a not equal to b, and is this true or false? I need to check it out by using the operator that is a not equal to b. Okay, and if I then run this out, it says a equal to b is false, but if you're saying a not equal to b, yes, that is true. So a is equal to 20. Okay, that's already there here, a and b. That's a is 10 and b is 20. So I can just always keep checking. If a is equal to b, false. A not equal to b, true. A greater than b, false. A greater than equal to b, false. A less than b, yes. A less than or equal to b, yes. Okay, and let me check. Yeah, that's it. So we have these comparison operators that we have. So what if your a was equal? So if a was 10 and b was 10, okay, so if I say a equal to b, it would say yes. A not equal to b, it would say false. Hope you're able to understand this. So it is very simple when we understand a few of these operators or the comparison operators. Where are these going to be used? Where are the comparison operators going to be used? These are going to be used when you want to compare, or when you have something, you want some condition to be fulfilled. When that condition needs to be fulfilled, you're going to use this particular parameters. We'll understand that in the next slide, where we learn how to use them in an if else. Thank you.